Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you, my darlings. Thank you, Anita Nation, for always coming back to watch my videos, alright? Thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my playlist. Yes, precisely my playlist. Thank you for always watching my playlist, guys. I really appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'll be showing you like affordable soap that you can use, affordable bar soap, yes, that you can use. You don't need to go break the bank, to get good skin, fresh skin. So I'll be showing you bar soaps that you can use, to get clean skin, fresh skin, clear skin, glowy skin. These are soaps that you can use and you don't need to spend too much, all right? These are low budget soap that you can use. They are everywhere in the market. If you're in Nigeria, these soaps are everywhere in the market and they're very affordable. Yeah, there are lots of soaps in the market, like bar soap, bathing soaps in the market. There are lots of them in the market, but not all of them are good. Not all of them are soaps that you can use, to clear your rashes or your pimples. Not every kind of soap you can use, but there are some few ones, there are some few ones that I've tried and I can, testify and say one or two things about them. So that's what this video is all about. So I'll be showing you like affordable bar soap, low budget bar soap, bathing soap that you can use for a clearer, fresher and youthful glow, all right, and for a healthy skin. So that's what this video is all about. But before I get into the video, please remember to subscribe to this channel for skincare tips, feminine hygiene tips for women and all that. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know the kind of soap you're using and if it's affordable, if it's good. Please share more affordable soap in the comment section. If you're using a good soap that is good for your skin, is giving you what you want, like the clear, glowy skin, healthy skin that you want, please let me know in the comment section. We're all learning. So even me, I'm looking for more better soap and more better things I can use for my skin. So please share it in the comment section. It will really be helpful to each and every one of us, not just me, everyone watching will benefit from it as well. And also share this video. Share this video to those people, struggling with skincare problems, having skincare issues, having maybe acne and pimple or rashes. So like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. So without further ado, let's dive into the videos. Trust me, this soap is good. This soap you're seeing is gold. And it's funny enough, the root African marigold, this soap is gold when you're using it. Like, I'm not capping. I'm not capping at all. No, 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 no. This soap is good. So if you've not tried it, you should try it. Maybe you're seeing it everywhere and you just feel like, oh, it's a common soap. Why would I use it? It's too cheap. It's too cheap. Trust me, it's cheap and it's good. There are some things that are cheap and good. There are some products that are cheap, affordable, and they are very good. They give you value for your money. And there are some products that are very expensive and they're not good. Some of all these organic products that they'll go and mix funny, funny things for you and say, oh, yeah, this is organic. Bring 100K for organic soap. Bring 200K, 500K for organic cream. They'll be deceiving you. Say it's organic. If you know, some of them is this soap they are mixing inside their organic soap. They'll mix this soap and mix maybe carrot and some other fruits and veggies and give you. And some of you will be having rashes. Your skin will be peeling. So don't let anybody deceive you. Why I like this soap, I've used it, why I like it, because it's mild. It's mild to the skin, especially to your face. It's not harsh. On our faces, we're not supposed to use harsh products. So there are some of these harsh products that you use. They are good for your body, for your skin. You can use it on your skin and no wahala. You can use it on your hand, your leg, your feet. No problem. It will work there because your skin on your hand can take any kind of product, harsh or mild, it will take. But trust me, your face cannot do that. So whatever you're applying on your face, you should be careful. You should be extra careful when you're applying products on your face. Use something that is mild and simple so that it doesn't harm your skin, it doesn't hurt your skin, or it doesn't give you irritations and allergies on your face. All right. So like for me, I have a very mild I would say, I'm not saying just for me, I think everybody, our face is very sensitive. So you see from your neck, face, ear, use mild products, mild soap, mild cream, mild whatever, face cream, mild, not harsh. On your body, you can use harsh because your body can take anything, right? For your face, trust me, sis, your face cannot take anything. Your face needs to, it needs that soft, tender love and care for your face. Yes, your face needs tender love and care, soft one, tender one. So that's what you should do. Apply something soft, mild on your face, all right? So this is Siri soap and it is very good. So I'm going to just read one or two things about it and let you make the decision, let you decide if you're going to use it, if you're going to go for it or not. But trust me, like I'm giving my own honest opinion, my honest review on this product, and that's all. So, disclaimer, I'm not advertising for anybody. It's just product that I've used, and I'm here to like testify if it's good or if it's bad, and if you should use it or if you shouldn't use it. So that's what I'm here to do. So I'm not advertising for any company. Nobody's paying me for this. Nobody's paying me. No, 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 no. I'm just giving my honest opinion concerning these products that I've used, and if it's something you want to use, please, why not? Feel free. Like, if you enjoyed this video and if you find this video convincing enough, then you can decide which of the products you want to go for. All right. So this is Siri. I'll start with Siri Forever Young. Yeah, I love the packaging. It's nice, it's beautiful, and it's gold. I love anything gold. Gold, luxury, royal, count me in. So I love the fact that it is gold and the packaging is good. It's nice. It's clean, it's nice, it's beautiful. So fine fragrance, luxurious, prestigious, and addictive. That's what they said about it. It is addictive, it is luxurious, it is prestigious. Siri Forever Young, perfumed bar. It says a perfumed bar, African marigold. Yeah, it's African marigold perfume bar. And it's 150 gram. Yeah, it's big enough, long lasting, fragrance, long-lasting perfume. So basically, this soap has more perfume. So if you're bathing with it, you smell nice and it has like a long-lasting perfume. That's what they are saying. So it's not just, it's giving you like two in one. It's giving you soap and perfume as well. So you have two in one in this soap. You use it to bathe and be clean and fresh, and you also smell nice. That's what it means. You smell nice after bathing, after feeling clean. You also feel fresh and smell good. So if you're using this soap, trust me, you don't need perfume, but we all need perfume with our harsh weather. So, an exceptionally formulated beauty soap. That's what he says. An exceptionally formulated beauty soap contains an elegant fragrance and elements for beauty care. Yes, that's what it does. And it's made in Nigeria. Funny enough, this soap is made in Nigeria. Can you believe it? We have like Nigeria, we're doing well, we're breaking limits, we're doing things now, like we're making amazing products. There are so many. For me, I prefer soaps that are made in Nigeria. I prefer products that are made in Nigeria because they make it for our weather. They know what we want, what we're looking for. So they specifically make it for our skin, our type of skin, and our kind of weather to give you the best results. So if you're buying soap or all these products, buy made in Nigeria product. Trust me, sometimes some of these foreign products are made for their weather, and their weather they don't even have sun. What they need is different from what we need. So if it's good when you're buying product made in Nigeria, it's made for Nigerians with our weather. So take notes, that is very important. So it's made in Nigeria, a product of Aspira Nigeria Limited, and their office is actually the company is in Kano. I've noticed that in Kano, they are making lots of nice and amazing products. Like most products I'm buying that are from Kano are like good product, high quality. They are taking their time to do good products. It's called Siri Ever Young, and trust me, it is good. This is how it looks. Mm. Mm. Smells good. Like I feel like eating it. Like I should eat it. It smells very, very like really good. It smells nice. I love the fragrance. So will you try it? Will you be trying Siri? Let me know in the comment section. Siri is nice. Siri Gold. Very, very nice. Fresh Glow Moisturizing Bar. Fresh Glow too is also good. It's also a very good product, and I recommend it too for your face. It's good. The reason why I said it's good, I was actually using like previously, I just said okay, let me try Idol. I was using Idol, and I noticed Idol was giving me rashes. Did you see this? It was Idol I used that gave me this, so I decided no, I'm going back to, because I was using this and I just, sometimes you just want to try, you're tired of using one product, you just want to try something else. So I just felt okay, let me just use Idol for a change. And Idol was giving me rashes. See, so, and I was using this, there was no rashes on my face. My face was smooth and clean. But see, I don't now. So I'm going back to my Fresh Glow. I'm going to use this and use Siri after it. Yes, we're going to be trying products. It's product trying, product sampling. It's called product sampling. That's what we're doing. So we'll be sampling all the products and see how they work, if they are, giving what you want, if it's giving that fresh glow, if it's giving that Siri forever young kind of look. That's what we're trying. That's why we're trying all the products. So don't blame me. Don't blame me. So fresh glow is also good. They have like different type of formulas, different formulas. All right. So this is the milk and apricot formula, 2 in 1. Milk and apricot 2 in 1 formula. Then they have other formulas. There's egg, there's honey and egg, there's milk and honey, there's maybe apricot and something else, just different, but they're always 2 in 1, 2 in 1 formula, two formulas in one. So it's always like that. Let me not confuse myself. So this is the milk and apricot, and it also smells good, but not like the Siri. This is not like a perfume. This is not soap and perfume. For Siri, is soap and perfume, right? For Siri is soap and perfume, but for this is soap with milk and apricots, just to give you for your skin, to give you different types of formulas for different skin type, all right? So all the soap for your information, all the soaps are for all skin type. So anybody can use it, male or female. Let me just read what they said. Okay, this product is made in Lagos as well. Is from Lagos, the other one is from Kano, and this is so many products are from either Lagos or Kano, and they're all good. They're all good, but I'm noticing that Kano products are getting better, like they're giving it their best. So let me read what they said. They said fresh glow, nourishing bar, milk and apricots, 2 in 1 formula nourishes your skin with goodness of milk and the rejuvenating beads of apricot seed. With the new Fresh Glow 2 in 1 moisturizing soap, it replenishes with natural nutrients and leaves your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Use it every day to experience a unique natural glow suitable for all skin tones. Just like I said, it's suitable for all skin tones. So with natural ingredients, 2 in 1 formula, and moisturizes and rejuvenates. So that's what it does. So these are like all they said directions for use for best results. Work up for it to be more effective. That's for best results. Work up a rich lather and leave for 2 minutes. So you apply it on your face for you to get the best results of the soap. Apply it on your face for 2 minutes. Apply it on your face, then leave it for 2 minutes before wash. So before you use it, you apply it, then you wait for like 2 minutes. For me, I used to wait for like 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, then before you wash it. So it penetrates your skin, give and smoothens your skin, then you wash off. Then when you wash, then they said external use only, keep away from kids, which is very important. So this is 130 gram, this is 130 gram, and this is 150 grams. So this is actually bigger, but funny enough, this looks smaller than this. Like I'm going to open both so that you guys can see. So this is Fresh Glow, and it's also good. I've used both soap, so I can testify of the two. So try and see which one you can use, which you can try both and see the one you prefer, then you can continue with anyone you want. But these soaps are very affordable and they are good. So the price, I got it in, I actually bought the soap in H Medics. That's where I get most of my products because of, I'm sure of like the authenticity of the soap. So I got it from H Medics and I got this a pack of four. A pack of four of this from H Medics is 25, 2,500 for four of this. So this is one and three more in one pack is 2,500 and the same pack of four this is 2,800. So this is more expensive than this, but they all do the same thing. All right, this is the 130 gram. This is Fresh Glow, and this is Siri Forever Young. Like I'm wondering how this is 150 and this is, because to me the, is it my eyes? I think my eye they pain me. Let me know in the comment section which of the soap you'll be trying, if you'll be going for both or if you try this first and try this later. Let me know in the comment section. Whatever you decide, go for it. Hmm? I'm sure you will enjoy anyone you pick, you will enjoy. So if you want skincare on a budget, this is the right place. This is the right channel for that. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more skincare tips. All right. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.